So my RayBan Meta glasses now have unlimited battery life, so to speak, because I got the PrismXR Carina C2, which is this attachment that allows me to put these batteries on them and have unlimited battery, essentially. The kit itself actually comes with 2 batteries and you can keep them charging all the time. When one runs out, you can always swap it with the other one and your glasses will never run out of batteries. Which is great because as I've gotten older, my eyesight's gotten worse and now I have to wear glasses almost all the time. With the Carina C2, you get up to an additional 19 hours on a single battery for your Gen 1 glasses like these ones, or up to 14 additional hours on your Gen 2 glasses. They only make it right now for the Wayfarer glasses, but I was a little bit rebellious and I put it onto my headliners and I think they look pretty good. So let me show you everything that's in the $79.99 kit and then some additional accessories that you can purchase outside of that. I have 3 products from PrismXR. This one is the Prism Carina C2. Here's everything in here. So if you see in this photo, there's this little piece that will attach permanently. That says clean first, wet wipes. Here's the wet wipes. Okay, so that's all dried. This is an applicator. So peel off liner off the bracket, attach to mount for 3 seconds. So it's me attaching it. It's like this big bracket thing. Attaching it for 3 seconds and then remove. I think that's been 3. Okay, yeah. And now it's permanently attached into my glasses here. Pressing here, 5 seconds each. Okay, now I want to snap the rear clip into place. So I'm gonna need to untwist it first. Yeah, make sure it's not twisted. I'm gonna need to remove this. Yeah, this is 2 and 3. Oh wow, why am I so nervous? This is very intricate. I really should have realized that this is black because my glasses are brown. Here's kind of what it looks like now. It is attached fully. It does look different from the other side, but actually not terrible. It's kind of like, I don't know, almost like an accent. I'm just gonna gently attach it lightly. Okay, actually though, hang on, look at this. So you can see it's here and then it goes all the way around and attaches to the side. But this is a very clean manufacturing, if you can tell. It's nice and light and it closes quite nicely. It does wrinkle a little here, the cable, it wrinkles a little there, but not a big deal. You need that kind of slack in order for the hinges to work properly and not have any issues. So I'm actually pretty impressed with this whole thing. And by the way, here's what it looks like at the bottom of the connector. So it does have the pins that allow it to still charge while it is in the case. You would obviously need to remove this to have it fit into the case, but we'll close this up and here's the case. It still fits really well in the case, and as you can tell, it's still charged perfectly while it's in here. So here's the rest of the stuff that's in this box. So it comes with 2 different batteries that you can then attach to the side. Now that we have this handy dandy adapter, you can attach the battery to the side and you can hot swap them, which is cool. So you have unlimited battery as long as you keep this with you. So this is what the battery is, looks like. It's not the biggest, not the tiniest, but snaps towards the back. Yeah, so now it's just like a little bit longer. But I feel like if you have long hair like me, you won't see that you have this. If you have shorter hair, I guess you'll see it, but let's just see how it feels. It's really light. I don't feel it on, and then I'm gonna see how it looks. I don't know if you can see that, but because I have hair, you won't ever see mine. Let me try putting my hair up. The magnet on this is so strong. I hit it several times. I don't know if you've heard it while I hit it trying to put my hair up, but I hit it several times, but still in place. Okay, so here is what it looks like if I am having my hair up. So that's all the stuff that came in this first package. And then there is 2 separate other packages. This is just a cable to let you charge your glasses when it's not in the case, so you can charge on the table. Let's open this one. So now if you just want to have your glasses charging on your bedside table without putting in the case, maybe your case is dead. Sometimes that happens to me and I have to charge my case and then I can change my glasses. You can actually just use this cable now since we have this nice little adapter and just plop it on here. That magnet snapping of this is so satisfying. Like, it's a very nice and strong magnet. So actually, the other cool thing is if I really, for some reason, wanted to, I could technically wear these glasses while they're charging on a battery pack. This is just additional batteries. Again, wow, I have so much battery now. I have unlimited battery for these glasses. It's crazy. Which means if you did get this big package, you don't need to get this one because this is already in here. But if you get this one, you can't really use it without getting this because you need the adapter first. If you're interested, I will link all of this below. The Carina C2 package with the attachment and the 2 hot-swappable batteries is $79.99. If you're looking for that magnetic cable that allows you to connect yourself to a battery pack if you wanted to, this one's $16.99 on Amazon. And if for some reason you wanted additional batteries, the hot-swappable battery kit is $39.99. Let me know what other smart glasses accessories you want me to try next, and I will see you in the future. Bye!